Getting started with FileMaker Pro Advanced. In the last lesson, you previewed 3 sample apps: Invoices, Content Management, and Assets. In this lesson, we'll use the Meetings sample app to walk through the basics of using FileMaker Pro Advanced. When you first open FileMaker Pro Advanced, you'll see a Launch Center where you can see favorite and recent apps you've opened. You can open an app directly from this screen. To follow along, you can download the Meetings sample app. For the purposes of this video, we've modified the file to prompt us to log in with an account name and password. Keep in mind that your Meetings sample app will download with no password. Since our app has a login, we'll sign in using an account name and password. Once logged in, the Meetings sample app opens to a list view, showing you a list of all meetings. As you scroll through the records, you may want to see more information about any given meeting. Click on a specific meeting, otherwise referred to as a record, which takes you to a form view. A form view is a layout that shows your users details about the selected record, in our case, a meeting. Let's go over some of the features of this layout. First, you can toggle between the Topics and Action Items tabs to see all of the information tied to a specific meeting. You're viewing information about one meeting. You can navigate through records using the right and left arrows in the Status toolbar to view details about other meetings. Or you can use the slider to quickly move through records. Regardless of what layout you're on, the toolbar at the top can help you with functionality built right into the FileMaker platform. This toolbar will change depending on what it is that you're doing in your custom app. In most cases, your toolbar will be customized to support one of the 4 modes in FileMaker Pro Advanced: Browse mode, Find mode, Preview mode, and Layout mode. When you're viewing data in your app, you're in Browse mode. The toolbar will include options to create a new record and delete a record. This is what your users will see as they're interacting with your app. While the layouts may have buttons to help you navigate, the toolbar contains a layout drop-down, allowing you to get to other parts of your app. Notice that there are layouts tailored for desktop, iPad, iPhone, and web. Clicking on Desktop, then Meetings, takes you to the list view of your meetings data. One of the most powerful features of the FileMaker platform is the built-in search functionality, called Find mode. It gives you the flexibility of doing both simple and complex searches. Find mode is very user-friendly, providing you with a way to search your data for exactly what you need. Clicking Find in the toolbar converts your layout to a find request, allowing you to search by some criteria. For example, if you want to find all meetings that took place in the large conference room, simply type large into the location field and click Perform Find in the toolbar. The app searches through all of your meeting records and finds any that have the word large in the location field. It'll then bring you back into Browse mode to show you the results. You're not limited to searching in only one field. Back in Find mode, you can search for all meetings that started at 10:30 a.m. and took place in the medium conference room. The app finds 5 records. And with numbers, dates, and times, you can leverage some very flexible search capabilities. In Find mode, you can look for all meetings that happened between July 1st, 2018 and September 1st, 2018 by typing 7/1/18 ... 9/1/18. 19 records appear. Once you've found the records you want to view, you can sort the records by any of its fields. Clicking Sort in the toolbar brings up the Sort Records dialog. You can sort by one field or multiple fields. Choosing Location, then Date, will group all of the same locations together and then sort those by date. Find mode helps you search your data. Browse mode lets you interact with your data. In the Meetings app, you can share data with other people by exporting, printing, or creating PDFs of the data. If you wanted to export these 19 records to a spreadsheet, you can choose Export Records. Select where you'll save the file, then choose what fields you want to export. On the Meeting Details layout, Clicking on the Meeting Report button opens a new window showing a print-friendly summary of the meeting. The new window appears in preview mode, showing you how the layout would look printed or as a PDF. The toolbar in preview mode gives you options to save as Excel, save as PDF, and print. If you want to email the PDF you just saw, click Send by Email. The PDF is saved, then attached to an email. Sample apps are completely customizable. In order to change what your users see or to build new functionality, you'll customize your app in layout mode. Say you want to add a place to store who leads every meeting. With a little rearranging on the layout, you'll have some room for your new field. You can then create a new field and add it to your layout. Once you've done that, you can tie it to a value list showing you a list of names to choose from. Here we'll use the leader value list that we've already created. Layout mode allows you to choose what users see and how they interact with it. Back in browse mode, your users will now see the change you made, and they'll be able to add a leader to their meetings. In the Meetings file, you've seen a list view that lets you scroll through your data, as well as a details view showing you information about each meeting. You can find data based on your search criteria, and then share that data with others via PDF or by exporting to Excel. You've learned about the 4 modes in FileMaker. Browse mode lets you interact with your data. Find mode gives you the tools to search your data. Preview mode shows you what your data looks like printed or as a PDF. Layout mode allows you to customize what your users see. The FileMaker platform gives you the tools to build something customized to your needs. Whether you start with a sample app or start from scratch, your custom app will benefit from easy entering, searching, and sharing your data. And as your business grows, your custom app can grow with it. In this video, you learned about some of the functionality provided by FileMaker Pro Advanced, getting a sense of what it is that the FileMaker platform can offer you, and how a custom app can help your business.